Welcome back to the channel. Next car lunch. What if Tesla finally brings an electric car to America that costs far less than a Model 3, uses dramatically less money every month than a gasoline car, and is small enough for crowded city streets? The so-called 2027 Tesla Model 2 could be the Tesla that changes the entry-level EV market. But there is one important catch you need to know before getting excited. First, let's clear up something important. The name Model 2 is still unofficial. Tesla has not confirmed a production vehicle with that name or published an official MSRP. However, in 2026, Reuters reported that Tesla was developing a new smaller, cheaper electric vehicle, reportedly around 4.28 meters long, with possible production in China and expansion to the US and Europe. So, if Tesla brings this vehicle to market for 2027, what could buyers realistically expect? The biggest attraction would be price. The old affordable Tesla target was around $25,000, but that original project was reportedly cancelled, while the newer compact EV project has no confirmed price. My estimate for a realistic US starting price would be around $28,000 to $32,000 before taxes, registration, and options. For Japan, roughly 4.2 million yen to 4.8 million yen could be a reasonable estimate depending on exchange rates, shipping, taxes, and local specifications. In other American export markets, the final price could move significantly higher because of import duties, transportation, and dealer costs. And this is where the Model 2 could become very interesting. Because it is fully electric, there is no gasoline bill. Instead of visiting a gas station every week, you charge at home or at a public charger. For a driver covering around 12,000 miles per year, the electricity costs could be dramatically lower than fueling a comparable gasoline vehicle, especially for owners who can charge at home during cheaper electricity periods. Real-world range is still unconfirmed, but a compact Tesla with a smaller battery could realistically target somewhere around 250 to 300 miles of EPA-style range if Tesla prioritizes efficiency. That would be more than enough for daily commuting, shopping, delivery work, and most city driving. Highway range would naturally drop with speed, cold weather, and heavy air conditioning use, so buyers should not treat any future official range number as an everyday guarantee. Maintenance could be another major advantage. There is no traditional engine oil, spark plugs, exhaust system, or conventional transmission to service. Brake wear can also be reduced because regenerative braking helps slow the vehicle. You would still pay for tires, cabin filters, suspension components, brakes, coolant-related service where applicable, and other normal wear items. Tesla's service costs and parts availability can vary by location, so American buyers should check local service coverage before ordering. For long-term ownership, the biggest question may be depreciation. A low-priced Tesla could have strong demand if Tesla manages to keep production costs under control. But EV prices can change quickly, and aggressive new car discounts can hurt resale values. Insurance is another important factor. Even if the Model 2 is inexpensive to buy, insurance rates will depend on your location, driving record, repair costs, and the vehicle's final safety and technology package. On American roads, this smaller Tesla could actually make a lot of sense. In crowded cities, its compact size would make parking and narrow streets easier. On highways, Tesla's instant electric acceleration should make merging simple, while a well-tuned suspension and quiet cabin could make longer trips comfortable. For small businesses, it could work especially well for local deliveries, service calls, commuting between job sites, and other light-duty commercial work. But remember, this is not a pickup truck. Its load-carrying ability would depend on its final hatchback or compact SUV design, so businesses needing heavy cargo or towing capabilities should look elsewhere. Compared with an American market competitor like the Chevrolet Bolt, the potential Model 2 could stand out through Tesla's charging ecosystem, software experience, compact design, and potentially stronger efficiency. The real battle, however, would be price. If Tesla gets close to the high $20,000 range, the Model 2 could become one of the most interesting value-focused EVs for American buyers. For Japan and overseas buyers, availability will be the biggest question. A vehicle produced in China could face tariffs and trade restrictions in some markets, meaning the international price may be very different from the US price. So, is the 2027 Tesla Model 2 worth waiting for? If Tesla delivers a compact EV with around 250 plus miles of usable range, low running costs, reliable charging access, and a price near $30,000, it could become a serious mass-market Tesla. But until Tesla officially confirms the name, specifications, production locations, and price, everything beyond the reported compact EV project remains an estimate, not a guarantee. If you enjoyed this preview, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Next Car Lunch, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming car updates, new EV launches, price predictions, and future Tesla reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.